Embroidery is a decorative art form that involves stitching designs onto fabric using a needle and thread. There are various embroidery techniques, each with its unique style and application. Here are some common embroidery techniques. Cross-stitch. 1. Cross-stitch is a popular embroidery technique where X-shaped stitches are used to create a design. 2. Typically used for creating detailed patterns and decorative items. Crewel embroidery. 1. A form of surface embroidery that uses wool on a plain or twill weave fabric. 2. Often used to create intricate and colorful designs on household items. Chain stitch. 1. In chain stitch, a series of loops form a chain-like pattern. 2. It can be used for outlining or filling in designs. Satin stitch. 1. A smooth and shiny stitch used to fill in a design with closely packed straight stitches. 2. Creates a satin-like appearance and is often used for lettering and small details. French knots. 1. Small, tight knots formed on the fabric surface. 2. Used for creating textured areas in a design, such as flower centers or as decorative accents. Running stitch. 1. One of the simplest stitches, created by running the needle and thread through the fabric in a straight line. 2. Can be used for outlining or creating dashed lines. Back stitch. 1. A strong and durable stitch used for outlining and adding fine details. 2. Stitches are worked backward to create a continuous line. Blanket stitch. 1. A decorative stitch often used to finish the edges of fabric. 2. Creates a border of loops resembling the teeth of a blanket. Stem stitch. 1. Similar to backstitch but with a slight slant, creating a twisted rope-like effect. 2. Used for creating outlines and stems in floral designs. Long and short stitch, thread painting. 1. A technique where varying lengths of stitches are used to create a shading effect. 2. Commonly used for realistic portrayals of subjects like flowers or animals. Couching. 1. In couching, a thicker thread is laid on the fabric surface and attached with small stitches. 2. Used for creating textured lines and filling areas with contrasting threads. Bullion knot. 1. A raised, textured knot that resembles a caterpillar or worm. 2. Adds dimension and texture to floral or abstract designs. Hardonga embroidery. 1. A form of counted thread embroidery originating from Norway. 2. Involves the use of geometric patterns and cutwork to create intricate designs. Smocking. 1. An embroidery technique used to gather fabric into a decorative pattern. 2. Commonly used in clothing to create a stretchable, textured effect. Crewel work. 1. An embroidery technique that typically uses wool on a plain or twill weave fabric. 2. Features elaborate and often Jacobean-style designs. These are just a few examples of the many embroidery techniques available. Each technique offers a unique texture and visual effect, allowing embroiderers to bring a wide range of creative ideas to life on fabric.